guys, so we made it back to the yard, and honestly I'm gonna just start taking this stuff apart now so I can go to Freightliner, get it squared away with, and yeah. So that's way too big, that's way too big. Also, another thing I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take a picture. So there's our picture. Uh-oh, someone's shooting. They're shooting. They're definitely shooting. Hopefully it ain't at a person. We're gonna take the negative one off. Now we're gonna take okay. We got those things off. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. Come on. Something fell and we need that. It's obviously a washer that goes with that. This goes with that. I know you gotta take this pulley off, but I don't even have a way to take it off, so I'm about to just slide it off. And there's the long bolt that goes to it. I'm gonna put that there. The alternator is off. See guys, easy as that. We don't need mechanics. We can do this ourselves. Here's the belt. And now for the batteries, a little easier part. So I didn't even record that, which I kind of should have, but there's two straps on this side. Gotta undo this battery strap, and I need to also take a picture of how these go. All right. All day from the sounds of it. But yeah guys, this snap-on tool that I have makes my life easier. Yeah, I'm so glad I bought this thing. Y'all have no idea. And push this through here. Maybe we take these off first. Let me make sure. Take a picture of that. Yeah, I didn't even need to take those off, guys, so let me put those back. Okay guys, now the hard part is grabbing the batteries. Actually, there's a handle. Oh, buddy. Whew. Don't know how long this clip is, but I'm pretty sure it's freaking long. Oh, these are only 650 cold cranking amps. Yeah, these are no good. The guy apparently replaced them for me because I was so upfront with him. I freaking hate that guy, dude. If I could see his ass again. Woo, boy. I'd sue his ass. Alrighty, folks. There you have it. Batteries are out, alternator's out. Alright guys, my battery's dying, so I won't be able to record much, unfortunately, but I got the new belt, alternator, 4 batteries, new tensioner, since this tensioner was completely done for, as you can see right there. There's literally no threads. Even on this one where it was sitting on, it had no threads. So we got all new bolts for it. And so yeah guys, I'm gonna put this together. I might try to record with my phone and try to put in the other battery and just kind of go from there. Alright guys, so I got it on. I had to put this little washer right in there. I don't know if you guys can see it, because there was a lot of side to side play, and now it eliminated basically most of it. So when I tighten it, it should be all good. So let's move on to the next part, which is tightening everything down. So alright guys, alternator's on, tightened everything up, got the positive and the negative on, tighten the bolt up that it goes to. The only thing I got to do is put tension on it. I haven't really tightened these up all the way. I don't know, this might be okay. As y'all can see, I have no idea, but we'll figure it out. So let's get to it. Alright guys, everything's tight, ready to go. This thing ain't going nowhere. I put some nice tension on it, so this should be good enough. Whew. Man, I hope this works. I hope I didn't mess anything up. If my mechanic skills are correct, that should be good. So yeah. Man, I haven't even eaten dinner. So now we're gonna get to these batteries. Alright guys, it is the next morning and boy, I'm tired. So I ended up putting the batteries on and I ended up starting the truck, and I checked for the play on the alternator pulley, and it seems like they didn't tighten it good enough. But I started the truck. That was after the fact I started the truck, so yeah, I saw that it had some play left to right. So now I got the right tools today since I didn't have them last night. It was already like pitch black. And yeah, we're about to be at the truck. I'm about to go tighten that pulley, see what else happens. But when I turned it on, it was, maybe I gotta leave it running for a little while, but it still wasn't charging at full capacity. So I don't know, I'll see. Alright, good news guys. I took this I don't even know how you say it, but it's 15/16 wrench, and this size 8, I guess, hex head or socket, and I tightened this right here, this bolt, reading 14 volts, so that's literally perfect, guys. So it looks like we got it. So I'm pretty happy about that. Now, my only situation now, I got the battery thing, guys, but my battery tie-down part does not fit. These batteries are so big. So I'm gonna have to figure something out with these. So I'm gonna see what I can do. All right, guys. Well, I cleaned up my tool bag. I kind of organized my tools in this thing because, you know, everything's all in there. Put everything back. Added oil to the truck. I really got to get the money in and get that head fixed, man, ASAP, because, oh, man, it is not looking too good for that. All my other stuff I gotta throw this away when I get home. Some of these tools I'm bringing back to the house. This tie down bar, guys, I unfortunately cannot for the life of me get it on there. I can't get the tie down bar on there for the life of me because the freaking batteries are too wide, so it doesn't want to fit. Unfortunate, but what can I do about it, you know? Yeah, close that up, close my hood, and then probably call them, see if I can get a load, go back to Union City, and go from there. Try to get, you know, the week ended off on a good note, and get a good paycheck this week. So guys, I'm back at the truck. Don't know, I really don't want to open this box again, but I guess I will just to show you. So basically, my dad modified that bar to make it fit. So, for you guys wondering what we did, what he did, he cut right there and he extended the holes and he hammered these ends so they would fit. So, shout out to my dad for the craftsmanship. But it's all good, tied down. The truck's reading 14 volts. He also helped me tie down the belt a lot more, since obviously I didn't know. This is all new to me. A normal alternator really isn't like this, but now the belt's a lot tighter. So, we're good there. So now, just gonna go home and gotta take my dog to the vet, and we're gonna wait for a load and see what they got. They called me earlier, but I told them I'm not ready. I have to finish this. So yeah, guys, we're ready to go, and I just thought I'd share this with you guys, how I did my batteries and alternator. So maybe if you guys have a truck too, classic or the same style alternator or whatever the case may be, you can do it yourself as well. All right, guys, well, back at the house, and just figured I'd upload that video of me doing the alternator and the batteries. That day I literally came off the road and I was replacing them, so I was like out of breath and just tired in general. Hope you guys enjoyed that one for sure. A little shorter video. I did want to talk to you guys. I'm going to be switching up the content here a little bit. I know the same old driving is just getting boring in my opinion, you know. So I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I'm setting something up with Freightliner. I'm going to be doing a review of one of their glider kit trucks they have. So that's pretty exciting news. I'm going to be doing a bunch of reviews. I'm going to be doing some new type of like vlogging style videos. You know, showing you guys what I do as like hobbies and stuff like that. I'll make a video about my car. A lot of you people want to see that. Me doing, you know, soon, like next weekend, I gotta change my oil. I'll even show you guys if you're interested. This week was a really good week. 2,500 miles is what I ended up doing. I just came back from a run today. I went to Union City again, so I ended up with 2,530 something miles. So I figured a lot of you guys are wondering, how much does a person that does containers make? Well, I really don't care about sharing how much I made, because, you know, I share mainly everything with you guys, so why not just share everything? You know, if anybody's interested in coming to containers, or if they're wondering about it, if the money's there. I mean, the money's there if you run the loads. So I'll make a whole nother video talking about containers and whatnot, and the process and stuff like that. So yeah, did all my paperwork. I got a load for Sunday, so it's kind of perfect. And so yeah, guys, things are starting to pick back up. I'm in good spirits, good hopes, everything like that. um I I can't complain. I really can't complain. They're keeping me running, and I'm happy. If I'm sitting here with paperwork on my, table, that means money is being made. And the faster I can pay off a lot of this stuff from my truck, the faster I can buy another truck, and just move, so on and so forth, and kind of further, my goal with this whole, trucking thing that I started. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts down below, and hit the like button if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.